Hey guys, Mike's Gettin Greasy Garage. Got something a little different for you. So I'll pretty much work on anything. You know, chainsaws, weed eaters, Harley Davidsons even. You know, all this stuff's the same to me. It doesn't really, I don't get all super excited about much as far as brands and all that go. I'm not really a motorcycle guy myself as much. I prefer four-wheelers, you know, like ATVs. Something with the pegs straight down instead of kicked out in front of you like you're sitting in a recliner. That's just a foreign position to me, sitting on a bike. But, you know, whatever. Everybody likes what they like. So, anyway, do this without showing the plate too much here. This a taillight and turn signals, doesn't matter, had to be replaced here. And he had it on, but the wiring was not right, and so things didn't work at all. And so I took everything apart. Had some skinned up wires. Even all this stuff's all new. When they manufactured it, that cross piece on that turn signal bar, it's really sharp edges, and so if you put it together like you're supposed to, it just slices the shit out of the wires. So ended up taking both lights apart, rewiring them with new wire. Fortunately, I had the same color wires. Put braided wiring covering on them, and ran that out. Had to add a wiring hole in the fender up here and open up one here, because my wiring harness is a little bit bigger than what the factory allowed for, and then trying to run everything through one hole is about impossible. So run those down nice and tight up underneath into the back of this. Modified the mount plate for a couple of zip ties so that you can keep these harnesses nice and tight, and then grounded this better. Got this all back together after figuring out the pins. And so yeah, anyway, that's it. And thanks for watching.